Hello children, are you ready to read? The Frog. It's your turn to read now. The frog hops. Now it's your turn to read. It has big eyes. Let's read, children. It sits on a log. Let's see if you can read. The log is wet. It's your turn to read. The frog is green. Come on, it's your turn now. It likes to eat bug. Come on, you read now. The frog jumps in a pond. Come on, now you have to read. Good job, kids. Hope you had fun reading this. For more such stories and reading practice, like, share and subscribe to the channel.